Hello, welcome to Anointed Practical Engineering Training Center. Anointed Electrical Services is one of the big brands known for generators and servicing of generators, diagnosis of generators. Right now we have branches in Sierra Leone, Liberia, and other places as well. Knowing the gap in the educational sector in the area of practical engineering, Anointed Group or Anointed Electrical Services thought it wise to impact this knowledge or this expertise in generators to the youth and everybody out there. Majority of the education in Ghana is about 70% of theory and 30% of practical. But when you come to Anointed Practical Engineering Training Center, we offer 80% hands-on practical education and just 20% of theory. So when you come here, first of all, we take you through the fundamental principles. That is the 20% of the theory, so you to understand what you are going to do. And then secondly, you go to the workshop and the labs, where that is where you do the practical skills. Students have the intimate relationship with their supervisors or trainers, and they are able to do the practical aspect of the engineering. And so every student is allocated a workstation where he is given the tools and the components that he or she needs for the training. We have several programs from electricals and controls. We have renewable energy, generators and plants. We have mechatronics. We have power synchronization. We have robotics and artificial intelligence. We have courses in heavy and light duty mechanics. We also have common rail injection system. We have programs in ICT, security systems, hardware and networking. We also have computer software and hardware. And then we also have courses in audio systems. We take students or people from the JHS level to the tertiary level. So we have technicians, apprentices, people who have completed the JHS, they are in their waiting vacation period, they can still enroll. People who are technicians, they do the day-to-day activities, but they do not know and understand the principles behind them. They come and they are able to take you through. We also have professionals, people who are already in the profession and they want to learn something new, or they want to specialize in a particular program. If they come here, we are able to take you through the practical aspect and give you in-depth understanding on the program that you want to train in. So between 2 to 3 months, you spend that period with us for the proficiency, and then advanced is also between 8 weeks to 10 weeks.
My name is Lauren Sheju. I'm a telecommunication engineering student in my third year. I've been here for 2 weeks and my experience has really been amazing. Anointed Practical Engineering Training Center has really changed my perception about life and then in the practical world as well.
My name is George Lloyd. I'm from Gabon. I've been at this center for 3 months now, and then I've been able to design my own smart home control. And with this, I can control any load.
Our fees are very affordable. If you come and you can't pay, or we arrange payment terms with you, and we give you flexible payment plans such that you can still enroll and train successfully. Anointed Practical Engineering Training Center is located at Anointed House, number 77 Anointed House, off the Odoko Malam Highway.